In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to minimize all windows on your MacBook using a keyboard shortcut. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is tap the Option, Command, and M key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Option, Command, and M. So that will minimize all windows of the current application. Or you can tap the Option, Command, and H key to hide all windows of all other applications, leaving only the front app visible. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.